Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath with the Frankenmonster challenge. You are looking at mine, or at least part of it. There's two things you're going to show in your challenge. You're going to show all the layers, which you can see here, like my ASU helmet, the White Sox body, the microphone representing stand-up comedy, the Hawks, U.S. men's national team, Thor, for all the movies. So I should see all your layers is one thing I want to see, and then you're going to actually show a separate file, which is the completed, where I flattened all my layers, and then I brought in a purposeful background. I used to love the old Chicago Stadium. It's one of my favorite places. Back when Jordan and the old Hawks would play in there, I just used to love going there. So this is a completed version. I don't see all my layers, but we do need to see it. And then my only tip I'm giving is I would bring each part in one by one in its own separate file. I would delete the backgrounds, multiple different ways to doing that. I'll even tip off, there's a website, bg.com, which will help you with that as well. For this project, I wouldn't care if you used it as much. But if you just choose white backgrounds in the wand tool, you're done in a matter of seconds as well. So remove it outside, then I would do select all and copy it, and then I would come back to your layers and then I would paste it in, and then you can resize it using the adjust tool. So those are some tips on how to do this, but this is an advanced challenge, so I'm not going to be doing more than that, and here's what it should look like in the end. But it should be all your favorites and things that help us get to know you better. Hope you enjoyed the challenge. Good luck.